Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can make a professional Instagram account. Now, professional Instagram account is a business account or a creator account. So you have an option to turn your Instagram account into a professional account, but you have to choose whether you want a business or a creator. So the first thing you want to do is click on your profile picture at the bottom right, and over here click on the three line at the top right. From here click on where it says settings, and inside settings you want to scroll a bit down and click on where it says preferences. Inside preferences, click on switch to professional account at the bottom and click on continue, and keep pressing continue, and over here you want to choose any one sector. So whichever sector you want your account to be created, choose that and click on done, and basically your account is going to be created. From over here you want to choose business or creator. I want to create a business related account, so I will choose business and I will click on next. Once I click on next, it's going to ask me to fill this form up. After filling this form up, I need to click on next, and over here it's going to ask me to connect my Facebook, but I don't want to right now, so I will click on skip. And then I'll click on the cross at the top right, and just like that my professional account has been created, as my Instagram account has turned into a professional business account. That's how simple it is to create a professional Instagram account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and as you guys can see, I even have access to professional dashboard now.